Hello, if you are wondering if you can use two SIM cards and a memory card, microSD card on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then the answer is unfortunately no. And the reason for this is actually quite simple. We cannot use a memory card. There is no slot for the microSD card. Over here I have the SIM tray of the device. And here, as you can see, we have SIM 1 and another slot for SIM 2. And there is no slot, there is no way to insert the memory card. Just to compare the sizes, over here you can take a look. The size of the micro SD card is pretty much the same as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to use it. You can use two SIM cards at the same time, however, so that is a good news for someone who prefers to someone who requires dual SIM. But if you want to use a memory card, then unfortunately you cannot do that on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!